from INFD Himayatnagar. I'm really proud to represent INFD with my 10 student designers, and we are really proud to be a part of Hyderabad Times Fashion Week. And the students will be speaking about the collection. The whatever we have showcased today, it is about the journey which a bride takes during her phase as a bride to be, starting with the bachelorette party, the sangeet, the mehendi ceremony, the resort wear, and the bridal wear. So the students will be coming one by one and they will be explaining about their collections. We are very happy with the way the event had turned out, and I'm looking forward to more such association with Hyderabad Times Fashion Week. This is the first time we are associated with, yes, and earlier, INFD is already associated with Lakme Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, but this is the first time INFD is associated with Hyderabad Times Fashion Week, and we are very happy. And I thank the Hyderabad Times organizers for their support, and my thanks to the student designers also, who had really put in a lot of hard work for this show. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Masoom Goyal and this is Bhavna Taparia, and our collection's name is Romantic Rendezvous.
It is added with pristine pearls and rhinestones, perfect for a bride who wants to go to a candlelight dinner. Thank you.
Kishika.
Hello everyone, this is Chetna. The collection was designed for the ring ceremony of every bride.
The neutral color palette of the collection and the embroidery are perfect for an intimate wedding.
The collection name was All That Glitters, which was inspired by all the stars in the sky.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tejashwini.
Hello, this is Sapna.
And our collection is bridal resort wear. We have used the sensual and the soft fabrics and the flowy fabrics.
As we are inspired by Rajasthani's traditional culture, that is puppets and bandhni.
Yes, we have used the prints of
Bandhni fabric.
inspired from Kathputlis.
This is Mahima Somani from INFD Himayatnagar. I presented my solo collection. It feels nice. Of course, it's my first time. I feel a bit nervous, but it's fine. I feel top of the world. Like, it's very nice.
Hi, I'm Veda Bellari. Hello, I'm Sai Priya. Chala manchi feeling. First time, little nervous but very excited. And procedure and process we went through. It was very exciting and very wonderful experience. And my college and our ma'ams helped us a lot. And we are very glad to be here. So we felt very proud to be. It's just about shine and her first day and her first. It's a bachelor party outfits, so we went with a shine. We wanted to put the day into shine and everything.
Hello, I'm Nandini Soni. My collection is a pre-wedding assortment with rich color palette and exemplary quality fabrics, and with a glamorous embroidery work. And I'm so thankful to be here and so grateful that I got this opportunity. I'm so thankful to INIFD and Times of India for letting me present my collection. Thank you.